Cars fear these things most. First, scratches on the body, apply toothpaste, rub vigorously with a cloth. It'll buff out if primer's intact. Saves money on repainting creaky doors when opening and closing. What's that? It's most afraid of soap. Just rub soap on squeaky spots. Wheel hubs yellow after washing. Pour some bleach, rinse, and they'll look new and clean. Foggy mirrors in rain? Dangerous. Just wipe with a potato to prevent water buildup. Headlights yellow and foggy after washing. Dangerous at night. Beer and cola fix it. Wipe with cloth, looks new and clean. Winter windshield fluid freezing. Add some vodka, won't freeze even in snow. New car smell. Poke holes in a box placed by vent. Lasts years. Dirty windshield dangerous. Just add dish soap, glass becomes crystal clear. Learn these tips.